Hello, this is Dr. Prashant S. Acharya. I am the Medical Director of Earth Ayurveda located in Indiranagar, Bangalore. Low sperm count in males. What do we mean by it? When the count of the sperms is lower than 15 million, generally it is called as low sperm count. But what can be the reason for the same? One, it might be primary, like congenital, undescended testes, due to any other primary reasons which has come along with the birth, which can be genetic also. But majority of the cases what we see in our OPD is most of them are secondary. What do I mean by secondary? Secondary is the low sperm count caused due to any of the reasons which has been attacked or which has come to the person due to their lifestyle, their work, occupational hazards, stress, lot of other things. For example, as simple as many people might have even thought about a zone wherein the temperature is very high, wearing denims can cause a low sperm count or the sperms to die because of the heat to the testicles. Yes, that can be one of the reasons. Smoking, hypertension, diabetes, especially uncontrolled, can result in all those things. Stress, nowadays one of the main things what we see in as a occupational health hazards, the stress or high stress jobs what we call, at a very younger age they come with a low sperm count, sometimes associated with libido. We generally take up those, and Ayurveda is an expert in handling such disorders. Low sperm counts due to secondary reasons is simply curable. Good panchakarma, very good herbs, lifestyle and certain specific advices which are required for reducing the stress on the sperms so that the low sperm count can be handled. And I have seen that this is handled generally within anywhere between 2 to 6 months time. Of course, even good thought processes, good sleep also contribute in increasing the sperm count. Diet makes a big contribution to it, and Ayurveda has a very clear answer for low sperm count. Thank you.